Hello, and welcome to my very first YouTube hair tutorial. I'm doing my standard 1940 style brush out from a wet set I did the day before. So let's get to it. Obviously, I'm already kind of ahead here. I washed my hair yesterday, dried it. My hair has to be pretty much dry before I could set it in rollers. Otherwise, we're talking 15 hours of waiting for it to dry. So what I do, get it pretty much dry, section off each hair, rolling everything down with my rollers. I use an assortment of the larger pink all the way down to the smaller greens and purples. When I section my hair, I spray it with Lotta Body and I dilute that. I don't use, it's concentrated. So I have it in a little spray bottle and I dilute it with water. So I'll spray each section, comb it through, and then place the roller. Now, I'm not saturating my hair with setting lotion because, okay, there we go again. It's wet again. So, just spray it, especially towards the end, comb it through, and then roll it. Sleep on it all night or put it on under a dryer. And once everything's dry, start unrolling. And you can see that's what I've been working on here. Just unrolling. I usually use about, anywhere between 20, 24 rollers. I don't really have a set pattern. I just kind of roll everything and down and just see what happens. Pretty much the only thing I do is at the very top of my crown, I do part my hair where I part it and then section it out. And then this kind of fun stuff happens. You get your hair stuck and then you gotta, it's fun. And we're almost to the last roller. Ta-da! And it's stuck. Okay, no, got it. Woohoo! And I'm free. All right, pretty good. I use this wide tooth comb to just do a basic comb through the curls all the way to the end. I would normally put some pomade in, like Suavecita or Suavecita. But today I'm not because I'm pretty much just staying home and I don't feel like adding more product if I don't need to. So now I'm using my denim brush and I'm just combing all the way through. Don't be afraid that you're going to comb out the curls because you won't. And I just keep combing down and down and I just work one section at a time. And you can see as I use my finger there, I kind of grab my hair and then comb over my finger or hand to kind of create the curl I want. Here you can see, I just use my hand. Use your hand and see I just comb up against my palm and then keep combing all the way to the end. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. And then that random hair gets in my way and just keep combing. I'll usually work the front section, get it to how I'm pretty happy with. That's some good fluff right there. And you can see if you wanted to tease the top, you could. I'm not going to be teasing my hair. Again, I'm just staying home today. I don't feel like doing the extra effort. And this is something I would do on a basic day, just going to work. We're going to start working on the back here. Again, I'm just combing all the way in the back and just comb all the way to the end of the curls. And you can see you start getting that nice little divot there in the back. Use your palm to comb against the curls. See how it just keeps on getting bigger and bigger the more you comb it. All right, I'll try to turn around here so you can see. I can't see what's going on, but doing my Gilda. How'd I do? Not too good. Combing against my hand. All right, so since I can't see the back, I'm using my little hand mirror here, so I'm just getting a basic curl going on down there. Comb it and shake it, comb it and shake it. Yep, there you go. I love the little dip right there. If I would be going out, I would probably put some duckbill clips right there in the divot, so the curls will stay at the bottom, but not doing that today. I got a couple little holes right there in the back, so something I'll work with. It's like Groundhog's Day. You just keep on combing the same part of your hair. Now I'm going to try to figure out what do I want to do. I think I'm just going to use combs today. Actually, I know I'm going to use combs because I'm recording the audio after I did this video, so I know the future. Grip tooth combs are my favorite. The Glambassador herself, go check out her YouTube, recommended these combs a few years ago to me. You can find them on Amazon. That's the only place I've been able to find them. But they are amazing. I'm just grabbing a section of my hair, twisting it, the section, and then jamming that comb into my braid. And that should stay. But by twisting it and then pushing the comb in, it gives you that lift right there, so I don't have to tease my hair. Once I put the comb in, though, of course, my curls get all kind of funky, so yet again, here we go, combing against the finger, combing against the palm to get those curls placed right. You'll have to probably readjust the comb because sometimes it gets pulled out as you're doing all the combing. Doing the same on the other side, twisting and then kind of pushing forward and jab that comb right in. Ta-da! Your eye might be twitching. That's okay. That's not good. So guess what? Redo. One more time. I got my Shirley Temple curls right there, but so I'm just holding it now before I put the comb in. Again, place it. Try not to draw blood, but if you do, you're pretty good with that comb staying in. Combing against the palm. And that one is just wacky over there. Okay, let's try to calm it down. And I'm just kind of grabbing a section and combing it. Being gentle enough so it doesn't pull the comb out of my hair and I don't have to keep on fixing it. Use my teasing comb to kind of push things around. All right. I love that. Looks so good right there. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm always so tickled when I have a good set. You don't want to see me when I have a bad set. It's not pretty. So now we're combing. I got to get that little section right there. Pretty decent. Now to help with the flyaways, using a pomade like Suavecita will be very helpful. So just going to touch up everything. I'm not putting hairspray in because I'm staying home today, but just give it a quick spray and walk away after a while. Sometimes you just got to leave it. It's fine. You can nitpick every little detail, but I got to go back and get that one because that's going to drive me crazy. There we go. And there you go. 10-15 minutes of a classic brush out. Thanks for watching, and I'll find you again soon.